Hi all my crafty friends, and welcome to Designs by Gaddis. I went to Dollar Tree today and purchased these two little Christmas trees. As you can see, they are pretty scrawny when you open them up. But just wait and see what I do with them for just $5. I just love the way they turned out. After I took the trees out of the boxes, I realized they looked like Charlie Brown Christmas trees. So I had to find a way to make them look fuller. While I was at Dollar Tree, I picked up a pack of wired garland ties. Why? I really don't know. I just thought they may come in handy, and now I'm glad I got them. I fluffed the tree out as much as I could and then started filling in the bare spots with the garland. I took a piece of garland, wrapped it where I wanted, and then twisted it twice around itself to secure it. I used an entire bag of garland on this one tree. I did this until I was happy with the way it looked. And see what a big difference a little garland fluffing can do? I then took this little box I got from Dollar Tree for another project and cut down some floral foam so it would fit in the box. I took the legs off the tree and then just simply pulled the end of the tree off and stuck it in the floral foam in the box. I started fluffing the tree out a little more until I was happy with the way it fit into the box. As you can see, I had a little helper decide she wanted to join me today. Meet Princess. She thinks my work table is her bed and she wants me to leave her alone. She also likes eating the Christmas trees. I found some brown burlap ribbon I had left over from fall, so I cut it down and placed it on top of the foam in the box to cover it up. And yes, Princess is still trying to help, or rather, trying to figure out how she can destroy my little Christmas tree. I had a small pack of LED lights from Dollar Tree, so I got them out and added batteries to make sure they worked. They did, so I went ahead and used them on the front of the tree. I hid the battery pack in the box and covered it up with the brown burlap ribbon. Here are the two trees side by side. What a difference a little garland and lights can do for a Charlie Brown Christmas tree. Make sure you like this video and subscribe to my channel. I will be hand making all the ornaments for this tree. And I know you don't want to miss a minute of all the Christmas fun we are going to be having here. If you want to be notified when I upload a new video, simply hit the bell notification. And as always, thanks for watching.